Hello all you fine folks out there. Just thought I'd post a weird video here. Here I am, I'm in France, in a little town called Port St. Louis. Me and my wife got the privilege of traveling here to visit some friends for a wedding, and we met some really fine people at the wedding that actually gave us keys to their vacation home here in Port St. Louis. So early morning I figured, maybe I'll fly my drone, get them some aerial footage of their area. It's a really nice peninsula here. You got ocean on this side, ocean on the other side. There's a fort that you'll see very shortly right here north. You'll see that fort. So what happens here, see the little glitch? I just lost a prop on my drone. So as I'm flying, all you hear is bzzz, and my drone starts going absolutely apeshit, as you can see here. Starts spinning. I've lost total control of my drone, and you can't tell in the video. It is heading currently in one direction in like sport mode. It looks like it's going pretty slow here, but no, it's moving very far away from me. I have no control over this drone. I'm in a battle for what seemed to be about 10 minutes trying to get control because it was just doing whatever I wanted to do. I ended up losing 2 propellers as it was flying off into the ocean ultimately. You can see it's kind of heading towards this little marina here. I'm trying to pull it towards me. It's going the opposite way. It was just this non-stop battle where I'm like, oh crap, there's nothing I'm gonna do. It's gonna get too far to reach. I don't have good signal because everything's so congested where I am. All the houses are so tight together. So every now and then I would almost have like this illusion of control over this drone. It would start coming back to me when I bring it back. Be like, okay, I'm gonna finally get it back. It's kind of calming down. Still making this crazy noise in the air. Luckily, you don't really have to listen to this, but all this motion here is just me trying to get control. So you can see I'm kind of getting closer to these houses, but oh, here it is. We're gaining elevation again. As we're gaining elevation, I'm just freaking out more. Because I'm like I said, I'm gonna lose connection. Oh, I'm pulling it towards me again. It's looking promising. I might be able to bring this thing back home. Feeling good about it. I'm like, oh yeah, not so bad. This makes sense. Oh, what's going on now? Still kind of coming back, looking good. Feeling good about this one. Even looks like it's about to come down. Oh, you see, I almost feel like I lost a second prop at some point. And here it starts to move away from where I am. I'm a little bit to the left here. And these row of houses that you can kind of see down there. So it's just this constant battle. How am I gonna get this drone back? Look how close. I think I'm in this White House right here. So close. And it's just going away again. Right back into the air. Oh, bringing it back. At one point I realized the only way I'm gonna get back my drone is if I smoke a tree. So I forced it into this little guy right here. And saw blammy right there. Smoked the tree. Get my drone back. I ended up breaking an arm on my drone. You can see I popped my little head up here like a weirdo, looking like Wilson from Home Improvement. Had to knock on this guy's door to be like, my drone's in your yard, but I can't speak French, so he was as confused as I was. But yeah, I just figured I'd upload this video with horrible commentary. Yeah, kind of as an ode. I just sold my drone. I thought this was funny footage, and just want to share with y'all. Have a good one.